In order to edit our video together, we need to import our assets, like footage, images, or audio files, into our Premiere Pro project. Like many functions in Premiere Pro, there are many ways to do this. We'll show you a few different ways in this tutorial. To import footage into your project, go to the top left-hand corner of the menu and click File and Import. As you can see, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Command-I on Apple and Control-I on Windows. This will open a Finder or Explorer window. Navigate to your assets and select them individually, together, or as a folder and click Import. Another way to import footage is to right-click on your project window and click Import. This will open a Finder or Explorer window and allow you to select your assets for import. Lastly, with a Finder or Explorer window open, you can select the assets you want to import and drag them directly into the project window. When you have imported your assets into your project, you can begin editing your video. If you feel you need more assets to complete your project, simply import more later. You can import footage into your project at any time. To save your project, click File, Save, or keyboard shortcut Command-S on Apple or Control-S on Windows. When you save your project, you will not have to import your assets again.